Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making a chocolate cake in the pellet grill. Yes, you heard me right. Now, it's his birthday. Look at this big boy right here. He said he wanted the chocolate cake, so daddy got to make it happen. So we're going to be doing it in the pellet grill. And you heard me right, in the pellet grill. So without further ado, let's focus on this recipe.
But before we focus on this recipe, let me say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Now let's focus on this cake.
Fam, so we got to make this chocolate cake, so let's go down to the ingredients. And we got some flour, we got some sugar. You want to pour that in there? Go ahead and pour it in there, big boy. We got some cocoa powder, and we're gonna sift this cocoa powder. Put it in there, big boy. Okay, so we got some salt, got some baking powder, and then we got some baking soda. And then the birthday boy is gonna get us bad boy mixed.
Now moments like these are very special to me because, as you know, not all kids have fathers. My dad died when I was 5. Now I've been blessed. The Lord's blessed me with not 1, not 2, but 3 beautiful kids, and every moment that I get to, build a legacy, I like to spend it with them, teaching them everything that I know and showing them a father's love. And this guy right here, that's what he did for me. He showed me a legacy. My granddad, he showed me how to cook, and I absolutely love cooking. Now this guy right here, hey, this is my dad right here through marriage. Absolutely love the guy. Now this little man right here, he's gonna be a father one day. And I want to make sure that he has what I didn't have, and that's that fatherly love growing up. So every moment that I get to spend with him is a special moment.
A mixer here, and then we're just gonna pour this in there like so.
Now we got some butter,
got some vanilla extract. Now we got 3 eggs going in there.
We got some hot water.
All right, so we're gonna get this ingredients mixed up. We want to make sure that we got all the ingredients out, mixed up in there real good. So we're gonna hit these sides, and then we're gonna give it another mix. All right, that's ready to go. All right, fam, so we got to get our pan ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some butter, and we're gonna go down here and then just kind of butter this up a little bit. Put that in the sides. And then we're going to take a little cocoa powder and we're going to dust this pan. Alright, so we got our cake batter and we're going to pour it in this pan right here.
Now we're going to try to get all those air bubbles out right before we put that in that grill.
So we got our cake batter mix ready to go, right? So we got our smoker, it's set at 350 degrees, so we're ready to go. It's up to temp, and we're going to put this bad boy in the pellet grill. Here we go.
All right, so we got the smoker at 350 degrees.
And then we're gonna let this bad boy smoke. We're gonna use the toothpick test, right? So we're gonna take a toothpick and see when it's ready. Once it's ready, we're gonna bring it out, cool it. We gotta make some icing too. So we're gonna make a little icing in a little bit, but we're gonna let this bake until it's done. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, so we're ready to go. We're gonna check on this cake. It's been going for a little minute. So we're gonna pop this top. And you gotta give it the toothpick test, right? So we're gonna put the toothpick in. If it comes out clean, that's good to go. So we're gonna get this bad boy out the smoker. You got your smoked chocolate cake. Now we're gonna let this cool for a little bit. Then we're gonna make a little bit of icing, right? To icing this bad boy up, right? Now we're about in the game.
All right, so now we're gonna make this ganache, right? We got some buttermilk. Then we're gonna hit it with some semi-sweet chocolate morsels, right? Let that thing melt over like a low-medium heat.
All right, fam, so we got the frosting. It's ready to go, and we're gonna pour this on that cake. Look at this right here. As you see it, now we're gonna pour this on that cake. Here we go.
Now when you get your frosting to the consistency that you want to place it over this cake, and then let that icing run over the sides just like that. Now you in the game, and then all you got to do now is decorate it. So I'm just hitting it with some stars because my little baby boy is a star.
How old are you gonna be?
4.
All right, Focus fam, so there you have it. You got your chocolate cake on the Lexington Pit Boss. I told you we we're going to get it. Now, we're going to give this bad boy a taste test. That's good. What you think, buddy? You like it? We're gonna smash into another piece of this chocolate cake. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. And if you've been rolling me for a while, you already know what we gotta do. We gotta smash into this cake, and we'll see you guys later.